Hi! A multi-tool is very functional and practical. But would you assume that manufacturers add, for example, a cooking spoon just because you need it for your next camping trip? No, they wouldn't, because they have developed a multi-tool for a specific purpose and it covers the most needed tools. The same should be true for your SaaS. Pay special attention to the requests of your customers, because you may end up falling into the feature trap. And the bad thing about it is that you usually don't realize you've fallen into the feature trap until it's already too late. So your SaaS is there for a reason and it serves a specific purpose for your customers. It is best if you occupy a niche and try not to please everyone. We often see SaaS evolving into Frankenstein's monster. How so? Customers have wishes and product managers add them without collecting quantitative data. Very often it's enough that the customers say, "But your competitor has this feature." So what happens is that one feature is added after another to please the customer. And what happens then? Well, you can guess. Your product becomes confusing and overloaded with functions and loses its focus. And in the end, none of your customers are satisfied anymore because it's just too complicated. You have fallen into the feature trap. Instead of trying to please every customer right away, gather feedback to make informed decisions. Be grateful for the feedback, but also let the customers know that you need to think carefully about what features you want to include. After all, your product fills a very specific need in a good way, and you don't want to destroy that. If you have in your multi-tool all the functions for all possible situations, you have completely missed the point of the tool. The unique selling point is that you can easily take it with you. So the next time a customer asks you to add a cooking spoon to your SaaS, be grateful for the feedback, but think it through and try to gather enough data to make informed decisions. Ask all customers to prioritize the features they want most, and also think about your goals and the purpose of your SaaS. Does it still align with your customers' priorities? If so, you can add the feature. If not, it's better to leave it out. And don't hesitate to communicate honestly in a friendly and respectful way if your customer's proposed feature doesn't fit your product vision and won't be implemented. Try to be helpful to the customer. If you know of a competitor that better meets your customer's needs, tell him. In the long run, you want happy customers, and if you can't keep them happy in alignment with your product vision and strategy, there's nothing wrong with letting them go. So, to sum it up, try to avoid the feature trap and build something great. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be happy to help. And if you want more input for your own SaaS, subscribe to our newsletter, read our blog, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the meantime, have fun developing your own SaaS.